What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for April 2018? The Vancouver Westside single family market is favoring buyers. That's right, we're in a buyer's market in the Vancouver Westside detached single family market. But Kitsilano is an exception. Kitsilano is actually favoring sellers, believe it or not. That's right, we're in a seller's market in Kitsilano as of March 2018. 10 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $2.1 million, which would have bought you a partially renovated home. It was actually an 87-year-old home, so most of the value was in the land. Typical lot, 33 by 120. But that home sold for $2.1 million, located right at 11th and Trafalgar. The most expensive home sold for $3.8 million, and that one was located at 15th Avenue in Collingwood. It was a newer home, 33 by 120 lot. This one actually fronted onto Collingwood, and that one sold for $3.8 million. 35 homes were available and on the market last month. So to have 10 of them sell is actually very, very good. That's 28% of the homes that were available that actually sold. 10 divided by 35, 28% of the homes sold. And the real estate board defines a seller's market as anything over 21%. So we're doing really well in Kitsilano at a 28% of the homes selling. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit lower than we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver Westside, and the sold values have actually come down quite a lot in the Westside. We're down about $500,000 to $600,000 between February and March in the Westside in general. But the median price in Kits as of March is $2.8 million, whereas the rest of the Westside is closer to $3 million. If you'd like to take a look at these 10 homes that sold, I've got them all laid out on an area map with the sold price versus the list price, and feel free to download that package of information. I've got 10 photographs for each of them that sold. You can download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakland Realty and Answers in Real Estate. I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver Westside, and if you'd like to contact me, you can reach me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.